Quiz 1.07, Example 5. David uses drawing software to rotate a regular pentagon around its center. Through which angle measures can he rotate the pentagon to map it onto itself? Select the correct answers. So regular means all the sides are the same. So to find the angle of rotation, we can take the total number of degrees in a circle, which is 360, and divide it by the number of sides. A pentagon has 5 sides, and that gives us 72 degrees. So every multiple of 72, or every 72 degrees, this shape is going to map onto itself. So definitely it's 72. So we can try 72 times 2. Which is 144. And then 72 times 3, which is 216. So these are all multiples of 72, and those are your answers.